How to use Canva templates on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, you will see the templates button in the left-hand panel. Click on templates to explore thousands of ready-made designs. Canva will display templates categorized by type, such as social media, videos, print products, card and invitation, education, business, and more. You can also use the search bar to find templates that match your project. Browse through the available templates and click on the one you want to use. It will automatically open on your canvas. After adding the template, you can start customizing it. Click on any element, text or image to edit, resize or replace it. You can also change fonts, colors, backgrounds and add your own image or graphics from the Elements or Uploads panel. Use the top toolbar to adjust layers, apply effect or align objects for a professional look. You can mix and match different template elements to create a unique design quickly and easily. Now you know how to use Canva templates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.